If you are 70 kgs and above, these exercises are for you. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. These very simple and easy exercises to be done every single day. Completely beginner friendly, especially for those who are 70 kgs and above. No giving up, no getting demotivated. I'm here for you. These exercises will not hurt your back or strain your knees. There's no jumping at all and they're so easy. You don't have to torture yourself. Let's lose weight the right way, and you're surely going to fit into your favorite outfit very soon. If you're a housewife or if you're working and you always make excuses for not being able to fit into your favorite clothes, get back in shape, and the new year's approaching, this is the right time to start with these simple and easy exercises. When I was a double XL size, now you know I'm a medium size. All thanks to these very exercises. If I can do it, so can you, and so are the people who have joined my weight loss program. It's all tried and tested. Trust me. Let's begin this super easy and fun exercises.
3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, go! Three, two, one, go! Three, two, one, go! 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, go!
I hope you enjoyed today's very exercises, though they are simple and easy but super effective, as you can see. I'm already huffing, panting and I'm sweaty. So definitely if you do these exercises every single day, you're sure to see results. And don't forget to follow clean eating habits, drink about 3 to 4 liters of water daily and get enough sleep. And if you wish to join my weight loss program, you can contact me through my social media handles. All of them are mentioned below. Don't forget to eat healthy, stay healthy. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.